water challenges. New technology are emerging to help conserve these precious resources. So what we do today is to explore some of them, or the most exciting innovation, right? To talk about exciting innovation, don't forget that tomorrow or Thursday we're having a specific, webinar about innovation in solar technology. So don't miss that. Definitely make sure that you book it. Yeah. So I'm just going to drop the link in here. But we're going to talk about the most exciting innovation in water conservation and also conservation technologies. So stay tuned and we will go further. Hello, my good friends. How are you doing? So I'm Tony T. I'm the founders here of Renewable in Africa. So what we do is simple. We raise awareness about renewables energy in Africa and across the globe. If you are a project developer, if you are an EPC company, if you are an investor, or you are a supplier and you want to expand into Africa, that is a brilliant news, best news of the day, right? But also know that you're probably going to have two key questions that's going to be in your mind. Number one, how do you reduce your business development costs? And number two, how do you fast track access to your customer? The way you respond in that could determine whether or not you'll be successful in your enterprises, right? And I want to help you to be successful. So what we have here is awareness packages that help you with those two questions. Yeah. So it's going to give you three things. The first thing is visibility. So visibility, but to who? Not to just everybody, right? That's great, yeah, for brand perspective, but more importantly, to your audience and the people that matter to you, people that most likely will buy your product and your services. And based on that, you can get qualified leads. And once you get that qualified leads, guess what? You can make the sales that you've been missing or that you're looking for. Right? It's as simple as that. I like to sit down for 15 minutes to show you how we've done it for other people and why I believe it will work for you. So don't hesitate. You go through my LinkedIn, you can see that you can book, through my calendar, and I'd be delighted to talk to you. Right? Excellent. So coming back to our topic, talking about you know sustainable water management, right? And the first thing I want to start with here is I want to start by looking at some innovation as I talked to you. So smart irrigation system. So they are changing the way water is used in agriculture. This system are sensors to monitor the soil moisture, the weather condition, and also plants need. They ensure that crops receive just the right amount of water. And by reducing over irrigation, smart irrigation helps save the water while at the same time boosting crop yields, right? So farmer can monitor and control the system via smartphone. That's great, right? So I have my smartphone here. Imagine I can just control everything with that, yeah? So that's actually good. Or maybe computer, making water management more efficient and also responsive. So the gray water recycling as well involved. That's another technology. It involves treating and reusing wastewater from activities like bathing, washing, cleaning for not drinking purposes, such as irrigation or flushing toilets. By recycling gray waters, household and businesses can significantly reduce their fresh water consumption, easing the strain on local water supplies. And this technology is particularly useful in regions facing severe water scarcity. Yeah. I want to talk to you about desalination as well. Because the process of turning seawater into fresh drinking water, that's what it is. Yeah, desalination. Yeah. So it has become efficient and affordable in recent years. Thanks to new technologies. We have innovative reverse osmosis membrane and also energy recovery system. They have reduced the cost, but also the environmental impact of desalination. Countries like Israel, Saudi Arabia, they're leading the way in this front. So we got to be looking at what they're doing. They're using desalination to meet their water needs, of their growing population. So what can we learn from them? That's the question we want to be asking. Yeah. I want to talk to you about the technology which all about leak detection and prevention. So leaky pipe, you know, waste enormous amount of water every year. And advanced leak detection technologies, including sensors and artificial intelligence, are helping cities to identify and repair leaks quickly. Yeah. And this system, they can monitor the water infrastructure in real time, reducing both water but also waste and maintenance costs. Yeah. And in many cases, what we find out is those innovations are already being used in smart cities to manage water more effectively. So Innovative water conservation techniques, they are providing new ways to address water scarcity, from smart irrigation to grey water recycling. So these solutions are key to building a more sustainable future for waste management. So that is what I wanted to put into your mind. So what do you think? Yeah. I see you tomorrow. But in between, don't forget to like, to comment, share people that you know, and let's expand this topic a little more. Yeah. Excellent. You have a great day. Bye bye.